Hello there, today we have a Range Rover Sport, and in this video we will upgrade its multimedia system. We will install a CarPlay module that we are selling. This car comes with two different systems, but this car right now it's with Bosch system. As you can see, this is the cables. We will install it back of this screen. We will retain the screen, its original screen, so we will not install any Android screen. So this is the module. It works with this original car and original screen. So I will be back with the installation. So I will explain about the functions of this CarPlay. Now you can see I have removed all the parts, external parts of this Range Rover Sport. And this CarPlay module, this comes with the main harness cable, and here this main harness cable comes with four splitter cables. Like two of these are the two connectors. One goes back of this radio box, and one goes with this original radio connector that is coming from the car. Then we have two more. One is LVDS cable that I have installed on the back of the screen. Here you can see this blue one. It comes with this blue color, and it goes back of this connector. And the other we have, this is CAN bus cable that we need to connect as it is same. This is all plug and play. And the other functions that we have are USB and HD camera, and this front reversing camera. So we will not install, and this is the LVDS. So I will back when I will put this all back together, and I will show you the functionality. So here now you can see we have installed all these parts back together, and the CarPlay is working fine. As you can see, when I will press the home button for 4 or 5 seconds, it will shift to CarPlay. This is the CarPlay menu. In this CarPlay box, this is first we have music. You can play music from USB. We have installed USB under this glove box here. So you can set a USB stick inside, and you can use your USB for music. Then we have CarPlay, then we have Android Auto, then we have screen mirroring, and from other side we have Bluetooth video. This video is from USB. You can watch video while driving with the USB. This is front view camera that we have not installed. This is to exit from this menu to the car original menu, and there are some settings for the factory settings and other settings. Just now we have connected the CarPlay. You can select on the CarPlay button, and here you can see the CarPlay is working. It's wireless. We have not connected our phone with any cable or any source. It's just with the Bluetooth. Here all your mobile applications are here. You can download Spotify, Waze, your Google Map. Everything will work as it is that works on the normal CarPlay. And from here you can use your navigation. Here you can see it's showing. We will close this. So it is working as normal. You can play some music from here. You can play a radio as well. From here we have some local broadcasters. Here you can see all the apps are coming here and working here. You can use every app you will. And there is an Android Auto. Right now I don't have any Android phone, but you can still connect your Android phone wirelessly. You don't need to connect an Android phone with wire. Here is a mirroring function. You can mirror your phone. You need an app to work this mirroring function that we can send you with this product. Then we have normal Bluetooth. In some cars that don't have the Bluetooth function, you can use this Bluetooth to for your connectivity, for call, and for music. And here you can see that it is for video. Right now we do not have any video. This front view camera, we have not installed any front view camera, so it's not working. This car has a rear view back camera as well, and it's working with this CarPlay module. When you press this gear to the reverse button, so it will work as it is, and the camera picture will appear here, and your steering wheel buttons, your climate control buttons, all will appear here. When you will turn off, it will shows the climate information, climate off. When you will on, it will be on. So every original function will be retained. Your parking sensors, everything works as it is. You will not lose any function of your car. So this is for today. We have this Range Rover. It's a very beautiful car. We have wrapped its interior as well. As you can see, it's a very beautiful glossy finish that we have done. So here is the car, and when you need to go back to your home menu, you just need to long press this home menu button, and it will show your original car. You can see all your original car functionalities like 4x4 options, phone options, extra features. Everything will work as it is. You will not lose any function of your car. So that's it for today. You can contact us. I will provide all the information in the link below. So we have all the CarPlays for all cars, and we have Android screens for every car and every year models. So you can contact us on our websites or on email addresses. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.